Lights, camera, last one. Hi, I'm Fernanda Zamudio-Suarez, and I'm breaking news editor with the Chronicle of Higher Education. Are you ready for the tenure track? The bar for tenure is set increasingly higher, and for many academics, that means working long hours. But you should still try to resist overworking. So, how can a 21st century scholar be more strategic about tenure while avoiding burnout? Stick with me and I'll give you 5 tips for pursuing tenure without punishing yourself. Tip 1. Focus on relationship building. Tenure review is conducted by your peers. Relationships that you've developed with members of the committee can help them better understand and appreciate your work. It always pays to be a good colleague. Tip 2. Focus on the outcome of your research. The committee will focus on products that came out of your research. Not all research counts in the same way towards tenure. More isn't always better. Make sure you focus on the tangible output of your research, like books and articles, rather than activities like talks or giving presentations. Tip 3. Teach courses that enhance the department. If you're given a choice in what you'll teach in the first few years, don't head straight to the senior seminars. Teach a course that fills a gap in the curriculum. Consider co-teaching a course with someone from a different department. You'll show that you're valuable across departments. Tip 4. Don't take on too much service. When you're on the tenure track, it's easy to take on too much service. You want to make a mark on your field and help improve your discipline. Request committee assignments that can help you develop relationships with senior professors. Tip 5. Be intentional. Be careful with how you use your time and energy while on the tenure track. Instead of trying to accumulate a lot of smaller accomplishments, set goals to accomplish 2 tasks a year, like publishing in a top journal or a reputable press. Create a new course, get a grant, build relationships. Now good luck, go get tenured. Tenure time. For more advice on the academic workplace, check out the link below.